Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change out the battery on your remote control on your Dyson HP04. Really easy to do. All we need is a little crosshead screwdriver, so like a Phillips screwdriver, and we have a little screw here, and we're just going to turn that counterclockwise, so to the left. Keep unscrewing it, it's quite a long screw, and then it will pull out this bit here. This is your battery. It's a CR2032. This is actually working. We're doing this purely for the video. So get yourself another CR2032 and you're going to be putting it in. If you have a look here, there's a very hard to see, but there's a little plus sign just here. So the plus of the battery needs to go that way. So not that way, that way. So if you screw on the left hand side, plus of the battery there, get your replacement one, put it in, and you're just going to slide that in like that. You can't actually put it in the wrong way because it's slightly bananaed. So put it in like so, and then you can hold that bit down, and then you can do the screw up. And then you can check to see if it's working. If it's not working and you're worried that you don't know if this is faulty or the fan is faulty, often you can check the little light working here on something like your phone camera. So let me just turn off the lights. So if you get your camera and press the buttons on the remote, can you see the light lighting up there? So that shows you that the battery is working, and the chances are the remote's working. So it might suggest if it's not working that you have a problem with your actual Dyson fan. Thanks for watching.